You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words in English. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So the top word has different pronunciations. It comes from the French word homage. This is why you'll hear people say in English, homage. Yes, it is a correct pronunciation in English, but it's also correct in English to say it as homage. The bottom word is generally pronounced in English. It also comes from French héritage, but it's normally pronounced as heritage, not heritage. Heritage doesn't really exist in English unless you're trying to mimic the French pronunciation. So homage or homage and heritage. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.